Shalom. First and foremost, giving God and glory, honor, respect, and blessings to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai. Salutations to the Lord's elect on the four corners of the earth, enduring this hell, enduring the suffering as a good soldier for Yahweh Shai, and double honors to the apostles of GMS, which have taught us everything we know through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai. And this video is going to be about yet another earthquake. You know, it's been earthquakes happening everywhere. You know, earlier I did a video on an earthquake that had struck what area was that it struck? Oh, Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo, Japan. Okay, 5.0 magnitude, no, 5.6 magnitude earthquake that struck Tokyo, Japan. Okay, and here's another one with a 6.0 magnitude earthquake, which basically struck off the coast of Mindanao, Philippines. So this is the Philippines that is being struck, and the Philippines is located in Asia, I believe. I could be wrong though. Don't take my word for it. Look it up yourself. So the Philippines is getting their ass whooped right now. Okay, and a 6.0 magnitude earthquake, that's a powerful earthquake. An earthquake that powerful is powerful enough to destroy buildings, leave cracks and gaps in roads and sidewalks. So the Lord is judging the entire earth. The whole earth is being judged right now. And you better best believe that there are people dying from these earthquakes. You know, as of recent, there's been a lot of people dying lately. If it ain't from this coronavirus, these people dying from earthquakes, it's people dying from natural disasters. You know, the Lord is literally bringing judgment on the entire earth. Literally, the entire earth is getting judged. Because the whole world is wicked. It tells you that in the book of 2 Esdras, the 15th chapter. The Lord said that he was going to hold his tongue no more as touching their wickedness in which they profanely commit. The whole world is wicked. Okay, you got heathens worshiping rocks, worshiping false gods, worshiping idols. Okay, adultery is at an all-time high here in America. Homosexuality is just out of control. Lesbianism out of control. Pedophilia out of control. Incest out of control. Bestiality out of control. You got people just eating abominable shit, man. You're eating bats. You're eating whales. You're killing tigers just to eat their penis. Like, come on, man. What's wrong with this damn world? So the whole world is being judged. And the judgment is coming in the form of earthquakes, disease warfare, wars. But soon the ultimate World War III is going to be getting, man. Salakia, man, I can't stand looking at this devil. Block element. It won't let me block his picture. Never mind. Man, it ain't like I can block the picture. I'll just do it that way then. Can't stand looking at you damn devils. Y'all make me sick. But yeah, man. There's going to continue to be more earthquakes like this, man. there's going to continue to be more 6.0 magnitude earthquakes. Okay, and it's going to start being earthquakes in places where you would think there would never be any earthquakes. So get ready. So this is the year 2020, the year of prophecy. Kwam Yasha Allah. Is on to the next one. Shalom.